Hi children, welcome to Class 6 Biology. This video is the second part of the lesson food, where does it come from? So in the previous video we learned about kinds of food, various food sources and food products from plants, and we were learning about food products from animals, and we learned till eggs. Now let's begin with meat. Meat is of two types, red meat and white meat. The meat of cow, goat, sheep and pigs has a lot of fat and is called red meat. White meat contains less fat and is obtained from chicken and fish. White meat is healthier and can be easily digested as compared to the red meat. Meat is rich in proteins, vitamins, zinc, phosphorus and iron. Now let's see some frequently asked questions from this chapter. What are food sources? Food sources are the different sources that provide food for the survival of humans and animals. The major sources of food on earth are plants and animals. Another question, what are the main sources of food? Plants and animals are the main source of food for all the organisms on earth. Food obtained from animals is the main source of protein and include fish, milk, meat, poultry and cheese, whereas plants provide us with fruits and vegetables, which are an important source of fibers, proteins and carbohydrates. Another question, what are the different food products obtained from animals? The food obtained from animals include beef, pork, meat, egg, milk and chicken. These food products are highly nutritious and rich in proteins and fats. Next question, what are the food obtained from plants? The food obtained from plants include fruits, vegetables, rice, wheat, maize, pulses and other food crops which are highly rich in proteins, fibers and carbohydrates. Next question, how many edible plant species are there on earth? And the answer is, there are more than 3 lakh edible plant species in the world. However, only 300 species are eaten by humans around the world. Another question, what are the different parts of the plants that are used as food? The roots, stem, leaves, flowers, seeds and fruits of a plant are used as food. For example, carrot, radish, potato, turnip, beetroot and sweet potato. Next question, what are the main components of food? The main components of food include vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, fats and water. Next question, how are animals an important source of food? The food obtained from animals provides a variety of micronutrients that are difficult to obtain from plant sources. The food obtained by them is highly nutritious and rich in vitamins and proteins. Now we are coming to the conclusion of the lesson. So let's understand about some special characteristics of different kinds of animals. Special characteristics of herbivores. Herbivores like cow, horse and goat have wide blunt teeth. Such teeth are suitable for pulling plants off the ground and grinding them. Herbivores like cow and camel have the ability to bring back previously swallowed food to the mouth for chewing it the second time. This helps them to absorb most of the nutrients from hard to digest food like grass. Squirrels have a pair of broad-shaped edged front teeth, incisors, in each jaw. They use these teeth to gnaw food items like nuts. Herbivores like butterfly and hummingbird do not need to worry about chewing their food. They have mouth parts shaped like straw to suck nectar from flowers. The next in the list, special characteristics of carnivores. Carnivores like lion and tiger have sharp and pointed front teeth, canines. They also have sharp claws and powerful jaws which help them to tear flesh. Carnivorous birds like eagle have curved pointed beaks that allow them to tear flesh. Carnivores like chameleon and frog have a long sticky tongue that they use to catch insects. Carnivorous fish like shark have several small sharp teeth that help them bite off chunks of flesh. Now some special characteristics of omnivores. Omnivores like a bear and human beings have different types of teeth that help them to eat both plant and flesh of animals. Omnivorous birds like crow have a sharp and pointed beak to help them eat a variety of food. Now scavengers and decomposers. Instead of hunting live animals, some birds and animals eat the flesh of other animals that are already dead. Vulture is one such bird. These animals or birds are called scavengers. Some other organisms feed on and destroy decompose dead plants and animals. Like fungi and bacteria are examples of such organisms. This is all for in this chapter. So in this chapter we learn about food and from where does food come from, and various food sources and kinds of food and ingredients, and how food helps us to get nutrients, and how food helps us to stay healthy and safe. See you with a new chapter with a brand new video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.